So I had a blog on getting our rim fixed. So we end up coming to get our rim fixed. So I got the name and number for who will fix our rims. So we got it done. The guy charges for the crack rim probably like $140. And the rims that we were trying to order for the car, they discontinued. So we're looking for some different rims for the car, but we got the rim welded real good right now. So right now my husband, I'm picking up the car up right now. Let me show y'all the car. So that's what my face is dry. So that's what I'm doing right now. Picking up the car. So I'm proud. I got one of the things redone with our car. I'm gonna work on the other truck, and then there's some other stuff that we gotta do. So that's a good thing. So the car is running good. I'm gonna show y'all the rim and the bag right there. He gonna get some. They're gonna touch it up a little bit. So I'm finding a different rim or a different tire.